So we are going to have a tour of the Rwot Palace. Yes. So as you know, we are in Pobech.
Yes.
Pobech.
Yes.
Pobech.
Yes.
And this is the
Empire.
cultural leader, the
Yes.
leader of this area.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
And right here, inside there, you can have a look. There is a tortoise.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is being kept in the palace.
Being kept in the palace. We have a lot of things. Those are guinea fowls?
Guinea fowls, yeah.
Yeah, guinea fowls. We have
Aweno.
chicken, aweno. We call it aweno in our native.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. The place is beautiful, Rwot.
So nice. I love
The
it.
place is so nice.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. So right there, as you know, in every chiefdom, every palace, there are cattle, guys.
Yes.
Cattle, and here is Castro.
Yes.
Yeah, the caretaker.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of the crowd.
Of the crowd, yes. So Castro.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Doing kind of
wow. So he's saying there are 68 cattle.
You can move closer.
Yes, let's get closer. Wow, wow. Look at this. They're not big. Okay. Wow. Wow. Eh? Luinya? Wow. Wow, they're so healthy, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't want to
Respect. You can't do it. And let it go give him a bed. Right. Yes.
Chai ngore. But in the morning they take tea. Chai no get at chai no get you, eh? Oh, you're taking them for lunch right now. Which one? That one? Marachone. Wow. It's huge. You know get you me gina? Me fu? Wow. 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 Respect.
True.
Yeah, this is something good. This is something good.
It's a blessing.
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 Yeah.
Blessing.
So
Blessing.
this is nice. This is nice. This one gives us pride. Never take it Rwot.
True.
Yeah,
True.
gives us pride that we have a leader.
We need more.
We need more, yeah.
This is just the beginning. Remember, camp destroying Jimmy Wang. You don't know pay.
Yeah.
Mabe mira coin down mira forward down near. Matiga coin wa me do take kwaro. Pien ker wa dien in the young no pay.
No pake.
So still this nothing yet done. To me it's nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
But we have to do more.
True.
No. Mir kitima karo kan.
And you know
Actually young car we had thousands of cows.
cows, yes.
Nan, era ko beri dong winyi me let ni Pierre.
Pierre, yeah. But all the same,
Yeah,
all the same.
Yeah,
That
it's
is
a great.
It's a great one.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Oh, Pierre, oh, Mia. Mia ki Mia. Yes. So this is a beautiful crowd. Yes, please, you're saying?
Right. Yeah. So kirana na berka wajneni. Amete viewers mamegwa should never take the pride. No. Wajni jeni weng mega no. Na bera kerni family is very important.
Key. That's
So in the name of family, arangeni wa family na be no kitika na die magangen. So mere they should also take the pride.
yes.
Ni very good.
Yeah.
Very watika nyuro kiki wilobo.
Yeah.
Je mabeje manu watika temne to inspire. We go chok twin jo mo kana chuli mo kana bene.
We go work jomo ken.
Yes.
I palace give
Yes. Who get jeme kini mo betie bene.
and family, you know.
Yes.
Jogo.
Yes.
Jogo man knock.
Right. Right. Right.
O pilu down on it.
Yes.
Or chief man.
Yes.
You take a gem in it.
Very good.
That's
yes,
it.
that's my
Yeah.
point.
That's
See,
it, yeah.
kirana na bera wa nene won ma chalo ruodi be won chao ka no per ge chente ero not gi family wu penny down when to chao tami not gi family wu very good not gi family wu we go rip ching u dong gang piene man la bon rip ching no kon pe nano die tie
no gini
ma nyude ba biter ti mu je mu ma don be
ne nyuro ne te gango
yes
dano rip
very good
and dano winye
very good
which is very important
kere ber chao kana kit pa dano mu no tie peter ber 100% but at least en nyuro rip ki winye
that is great
yes
great
ana foi to 12 wa foi bene casto
wa foi go dian
yeah ruba me buri gum
true all right I think let's get up let's get up and see what is up there we go and see Kanya Muse Yan Berie
right
okay you know your quarter lawn
you know chuga da
you know quarter chuga
na chuga da mo bene komi ke ko ka mano kano mu cheke tieno
gidon no gidon
nyige tie do nyige tie karo gini me nante tiene yeno da endo chelen
oh wow chuga okay wow
yes we again jo wa ko be guna ya video ni chero maboya jo mo wa ko no ko chalo mo ko
ana foot pa na chuga ba
okay
ana ngira chuga gimone madon bel winyo na chwaro bel winyo ni ana chuga
kanan ko so hopefully next time Omiro ibin kanu ay chuga che
yes that's true
ma ko chele da chamo be ko
that's true kanyo ngo mi diagi ane romi romo gwa ko ene
romo no titung ka chan
romo tung okay romo na no ko kar cha mon mota lok
diegi
yes diegi